In the modern landscape of AI, even without any background in 3D or animation, you too can create your own 3D animation movie. Today, we'll walk through the steps to transform an everyday video into a 3D animation using a handy AI tool. Moreover, we'll dive into creating your personalized 3D character. This easy guide of just 5 minutes will have your very own 3D animation movie ready. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Getting started. First things first, you'll need to create an account on the Video to 3D Animation Converter. This involves setting up a new DeepMotion AI account. The link to get started can be found in the video description. Step 2. Character creation. Once you're logged into DeepMotion AI, we'll navigate to the Animate 3D menu. Click the Get Started button and we're on our way. We'll then choose a 3D model. For this example, we'll be using the Ready Player Me avatar generator. Start by selecting a body type. You can upload a photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or if you prefer, you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Next, choose an avatar model and click Next. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can tweak the skin color, face shape, and facial features. You can also choose your avatar's hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. After finalizing your avatar, click Next. You can register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue Without Sign Up. Lastly, name your character and click Save to store all the avatar details. Step 3. Animation creation. Back on the DeepMotion AI dashboard, let's animate your avatar. Navigate to the Animate 3D menu, click on 3D Models. Select your avatar and hit the Create Animation button. Now, upload the video you'd like to animate. For this example, we'll use jogging. Rename your file if you wish and adjust the video's length using the Trim and Crop button. Next, in the Video Output menu, switch on the MP4 output option and change the background to a solid green color. Choose your preferred camera mode, select whether you want shadow and audio output, and you're all set. Click Create to let DeepMotion AI convert your video into a 3D animation. After the process is complete, click Download, select the MP4 format, and your animation video is ready. Building the world. Now let's create an animated background using Canva. Go to the Canva dashboard, select the Video menu, navigate to the Elements menu, and search for Animation. Choose the video animation that you like, right-click on it, and set it as the background. Don't forget to download your animated background video. 5. Assembling the pieces. Now we combine the 3D video animation and animated background using a video editor like Wondershare Filmora. Import your animated background and 3D animation video. Position the animated background on the first layer and the 3D video animation on the top layer. Click on the 3D animation video, select the Chroma key button, and use the color picker to select the green screen area. Adjust the 3D animation video to fit the background and adjust its speed as needed. Finally, click the Export button, name your file, and adjust the video resolution and quality if needed. I spent little more time and created a clip. Here's the final result. Now you can create your own animation video using AI. You can also add a script using ChatGPT and create voiceover using AI tools like TTS Maker or Wellsig Labs and make your animation movie even more engaging. So why not roll up your sleeves and give this software a spin? With some practice, you could transform this concept into a profitable business model, perhaps even kickstarting your own YouTube channel. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. The AI world is at your fingertips, so let's dive in together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Until then, love you all, bye-bye.